Queen. So today I'm doing another vlog. Oh, my mom. She's on the train right now. Okay, this is really rude. But I'm going to the beach with Georgia. This is Georgia. She's a babe. We love her.
I'm gonna pick up my tongue.
We are going to, oh my god, my mouth. We are going to, the beach that we're going to is like a private beach. It's really quiet and all that. It's Monday, so hopefully it's quiet. But yeah, we'll catch you when we're on the ferry. Okay guys, we're now at Circular Quay. We're getting a ferry. We need to go to Wharf 2. Where's Wharf 2? It's up this way. Now we're getting a ferry to the Watson's Bay. We're gonna have lunch there and then we're going to walk to the beach that we're going to from there. As I said, I'm not staying the beach because it's private and we don't want everyone going there. So fuck yous all, love yous. Mwah. Update Queens, we just got some lunch. I got the barbecue seafood basket, I don't know. And what did you get, George?
Combo. Upper level with xoxo combo.
And it has like fish and calamari.
Yeah, and chips.
Loves it. And then we'll go to the beach after this. So Georgia here decided it would be a good idea, where is she, to feed the fucking birds. And now they've swarmed us. And it's really scary. But before this, they literally swooped at us and stuff. All because of this girl. Ah, I'm scared. Mom, come pick me up. Okay, so now we're walking to the beach. It's like a 5-minute walk, so it's fine. We're just walking up the street. Loves it. Almost just got hit by a fucking bus mirror. But yeah, we'll see you when we get there. Hey Queen, so now we're at the beach. Just laying on these rocks. Loves it. Hey George. Loves it. Now we're just gonna tan, swim, relax, take cute photos. And yeah, oh my god, I almost just dropped it. I'm a mess. Hey Queens, just updating the vlog. Still at the beach. Loves it. Took some cute photos. And we're gonna head back in like half an hour. Take more photos. And we'll update you then. Loves it. Update, we finished and left the beach. Now we're just taking cute photos. Loves it. And cute in front of this like cute little driveway. So we're walking back now. Oh, where's Georgia? Oh, Georgia's. We're walking back now. We had really a lot of fun at the beach. And we took some really cute photos. Probably see them on the gram and stuff. And now we're just heading back for the ferry. Loves it. Yeah. We're now on the ferry. Look at our hair. Loves it. Just made it to the train station. Heading back now. Great day at the beach.
Actually,
Loves it.
I think I'm burnt.
Same.
No.
I think I'm burnt on my forehead, but it's fine, whatever.
My shoulders are actually my shoulder.
Yeah, probably burnt on my shoulders and stuff, but fuck it. Now we're back in the city. Mwah. Update. We're on the train home. Our home stretch. Loves it. Now we're gonna play a couple little games. Because we're bored and our phone is like, or both of our phones are like going to die. So, YOLO.
I had fun. Thanks for coming along.
Okay, so I'm about to get off the train on Lake Georgia. Cry. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you like it, subscribe. You know the deal. Loves it. Mwah. Bye.